a ski station with a freaking cool name, Chabanon. It's like I'm driving through someone's back garden basically. This is possibly one of the best ski stations in the whole of France. We are on the Alpes-de-Haute-Provence department. We are just southeast of Gap. This is my second stop in the Blanche Valley, and oh my god, it's awesome. The sun is absolutely perfect, the weather is absolutely perfect today. Welcome to Chabanon. So if you look at the geo map of Chabanon, the base station is around 1,600 meters. It has 5 sectors, and the 2 highest summits is La Bressa over here, as well as Tête Grosse, which is about 2,200 meters. All the slopes are northeast facing, so you have a wonderful sun baking down on the back of the mountain, so the snow is keeping fresh for longer. It's early March now, so definitely spring skiing, but the snow is still really good. So what I've learned from teaching friends and family to ski over the last few years is that there's a couple of elements that really need to come together. So they need the technical skills to be on the mountain and control their speed. But for someone new to skiing, they also have to deal with the element of speed, and they also have to deal with the element of high altitudes. And sometimes those three things don't mature at the same rate. So you might find someone is really quick and easy to learn the basics, but then they take a longer time to get comfortable on the mountain. So what you really want is a mountain that offers you really good skiing for beginners, and not only that, really good skiing from relatively high altitudes. And that's exactly what Chabanon offers. It's one of the few ski stations I've ever been to where there's more green runs at the ski station than there are blue runs. There's 9 green runs, and not only that, the green runs are not just in the training debutant area. The green runs actually run from the summit all the way down into the village, which is incredible if you're a new skier. You get to be comfortable on the snow. You're not too scared of the peak gradients of the run, and you also get to experience some relatively high altitudes like this, 1,900 meters and 2,000 meters. So to me, Chabanon is absolutely one of the best areas if you're new to skiing or if you're teaching someone to ski. 9 green runs, long green runs. See you later, bye. So the base elevation of the ski area is about 1,600 meters, and the highest summit, La Tête Grosse, is 2,000 meters, just above 2,000 meters. So the total skiable area is roughly 40 kilometers of runs. That includes 9 beginner runs, 7 intermediate blue runs, 11 advanced red runs, and 5 difficult black runs. So I'm just returning from the first summit, La Bressa, 1,900 meters. These are all such lovely runs, including the blue and the red. They're just perfect, nice long enough distance. The way the site has been laid out is absolutely fantastic. So even the intervals between the runs here are spaced really well. You can progress from the green onto the blue runs fairly easily, and then from the blues to the reds fairly easily. The red runs are definitely challenging, but they're not particularly long, so there are some very steep sections, but other than that, it's very comfortable skiing on the blue, the red, and obviously the green. So again, this is a great place for a beginner to come and to kind of hone in on their craft and learn, and maybe spend like 2, 3, 4, 5 trips coming here, and by the end of that you'll feel like you've really progressed with your skiing. So Chabanon was one of the first ski stations in the Southern Alps to offer nighttime skiing, ski de nocturne, and apparently it started as a way for the staff to enjoy the mountains after hours. So that's very cool, and now it's actually developed into a full-on activity. I think it's in the weekdays during the holiday period, and the night run is almost from the very top. It's about 3.5 kilometers, so it's very cool. On their ski map they actually have a separate section showing the nighttime runs. So cool, Chabanon, I really like that. Okay, so I'm just here at the westerly side of the resort. I've got one more lift to take up to the summit Tête Grosse at 2,100 meters, but it's absolutely gorgeous. Look at this background. Okay, so here I am at the summit of Tête Grosse, 2,100 meters. This is the only section in the whole ski area where there's no green run going all the way down, but there's a short blue, and then it connects back to the green at the restaurant. So you're not far off from the safety of some blue runs. So I've had a really good day at Chabanon. I'm definitely going to come back here. I think this is, like I said, a fantastic place for beginners. Thanks again for watching my video. You're going to have to wait for part 3 because it's end of the season now and I'm not going to get to Saint-Jean-Montclair. So part 3 of the Blanche Valley is going to have to wait until next season, but I don't have any problem with that because I can't wait to come back. We'll see you guys later. Bye. Chabanon.